What do you do about delinquent student loans? Let's start with what happens when you don't pay your student loans. If you have a federal student loan and it goes unpaid, what's going to happen is your loan will go into default status. When your loan is defaulted, on your credit report you may see it show up as collection account and the balance may be zeroed out, or it may show the balance. Either way, a delinquent student loan or a defaulted student loan is something you need to deal with immediately. Student loans in default don't go away. They're something that you have to take care of. They don't have an expiration date to where you just don't have to pay it after the statute of limitations expires. So with a defaulted student loan, it can impact your ability to obtain a mortgage depending on the type of mortgage that you are getting. You may be required to pull it out of default status to qualify for that mortgage. So one of the most important things you can do is enter into a loan rehabilitation program with your servicer. A loan rehabilitation program will allow you to put together a payment plan or a schedule of payments that will pull you out of that default status. And at the end of that payment plan, the servicer will create an entirely new loan for you, where you're going to start fresh and clean with a new payment, and it will create an entirely new trade line on your credit report. Those old student loans that were in default will still be on your credit report. They will still be on your credit file, but at the very least, you will now be able to take care of the payments that were past due and start off on a clean slate with a brand new trade line on your report. Next, we're going to talk about your credit cards and how to pay down your credit card